Get ready, creators! DJI is once again shaking up the camera world because the DJI Osmo Action 6 is coming on November 18th. This isn't just another action camera. This is a whole new level of cinematic adventure with a brand new sensor. The Osmo Action 6 promises sharper, brighter, and smoother footage than ever before. Whether you're diving deep underwater, chasing sunsets, or capturing your fastest rides, this tiny beast is built to handle it all. DJI has worked on improving the low-light performance, giving you clearer shots even in dark environments. Plus, with next-gen stabilization, your footage stays perfectly steady no matter how wild the action gets. 1-inch advanced CMOS sensor for pro-level clarity. 8K video support with HDR mode. RockSteady 5.0 stabilization. Waterproof design up to 20 meters without case. Longer battery life, up to 3 hours of non-stop shooting. Enhanced microphone system for crystal clear audio. So mark your calendars November 18th because the DJI Osmo Action 6 is ready to redefine what an action camera can do. Whether you're a traveler, vlogger, or adrenaline junkie, this camera is built for you. High-resolution video. Leaks suggest support for 8K video slow-motion modes such as 4K 1.2 or even 1080p 240 FPS. Improved stabilization. Upgraded version of DJI's RockSteady or equivalent. Stabilization to keep action footage smooth even when movement is extreme. Better connectivity and features. Rumors of Bluetooth 5.1. Dual-band Wi-Fi, possibly smartwatch integration for sports tracking, metrics, etc. Durable body, upgraded mounts, because action cams are used in rough situations. There's talk of more rugged design, better thermal management, etc. Improved audio and accessories, better microphone system for action, ambient sound, support for external mix, etc. Common upgrade path. High frame rate stills / dynamic range with the sensor upgrade. More possibility of high quality still photos and richer video color grading potential. For more details and a complete review, check out my full video on this channel.